welcome back to my channel. Rosie is so she's playing but before we get started, click the subscribe button, turn notifications, yeah, huge thumbs up. Today we're doing the food challenge, and I can't see. I have to find my mask on. It's a bandana, but I can't find my mask. And we have my sister in the background, and Daddy's gonna help me.
So what we're gonna do is Daddy's gonna put one of these mystery sauces into your mouth, and you're gonna have to try to guess what they are, and I will show the viewers what they are beforehand and see if Rosie gets it right. Are we ready to get started?
Yeah!
All right.
I can smell the peanut butter.
Oh, that might be in there. We don't know. All right. So first up, we have. That's right.
Here we go. Don't tell, don't tell, don't tell.
Tell Nova. Are you
And
ready?
here she goes.
And what is this?
Jelly.
Hey!
What flavor?
It's jelly.
It's jelly.
Oh, yeah.
That's a win.
Okay, so that's 1 point for Roro.
All right.
What are we
take a-
doing
Take a
next?
sip.
Take a sip of water. We're going to cleanse the palate, and we're going to see how many points Rosie can get. What are we doing next?
Don't tell Nova.
Shh.
Okay, ready?
Here we go.
Open up.
I like it.
right.
So you can spit it out.
Ready?
Spit it out. Okay, do you have a guess? And cleanse your palate. And what is your guess? What is it?
It's ranch.
Not ranch.
What is it?
Do you want to know?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't guess it, so no points. It was mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise will go on this side.
Okay, so that, yeah. The one that she gets wrong goes on that side. Okay.
All right.
Left or right?
Well, you'll see at the end. Okay, next. Here we go.
Don't tell.
You ready?
Do one that I don't like.
Well, it's a taste
We'll
test.
see.
You might not like this one.
What do you think it is?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter! Look, we have a new spoon for each sauce. Okay.
Yes, we
This
do.
one goes on this side. Ooh, peanut butter jelly time. Okay. Okay. Here we go.
Something that I like or I don't.
We'll
We
see.
don't know. You might like it. You might not.
Here we
Ready?
go.
It's a blind taste test. Open up.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I don't like this flavor.
We wouldn't.
Go ahead.
We won't give you something that hurts you. What's that?
And you could just stick your tongue to it. What is it?
I don't know.
You eat it all the time.
I can't guess.
It is ketchup.
Oh.
Okay, let's move it.
All right.
Okay,
Ketchup.
here we go.
Okay. It's
Okay. Here we go.
What's it something I don't like?
Just touch your tongue to it. You don't have to take the whole spoonful.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
even though you just ate it for dinner.
Huh?
Even though you just ate it for dinner.
Ranch?
Ranch!
Try it again.
Ranch!
I know.
What? What is it?
It's the sauce that we put on the red sauce.
You got it! Red sauce! That's 3 points for Monroe. And she hasn't even cried yet, which is amazing. All right, what's next? Oh, gosh. Let's just touch our tongue a little bit to this one.
Why?
Go ahead. And take a guess.
No.
And what do you think it is? She hates this.
Ah.
It's what? It's
That is not on the dish. Do you have a guess?
I don't like it.
But what do you think it is?
I don't know.
It's yellow.
What do you think it is?
Can you say?
Don't peek.
Okay.
It is. Do you want to know? Or are you going to take a guess?
I'm gonna take a guess.
Take a guess.
You can taste it again if you have to. Yeah, it's right in front of you. You want to touch your tongue to it.
So I know what it is,
Okay.
but I can't remember the thing.
If you need to touch your tongue to it, you can. It's right in front.
Okay. No guess?
No.
Take any guess.
It's yellow. People put it on burgers and hot dogs.
Mayonnaise?
Nope. Okay, this one she got wrong. It's mustard.
How'd
I
you
don't
get
like that.
Okay.
I know. Next.
Okay. Here we go.
All right.
Where's the second?
You might not like this one either, so open your mouth.
Mama.
Go ahead. Here we go.
This is for your viewers.
Come on. This is for your YouTube
This is for
channel.
your YouTube
Come on,
channel.
Rosie. This is
All
for
right, ready?
everyone. Here we
Open your
go.
mouth a little. Open your mouth a little. Open it up.
Go ahead. What is it?
Chocolate.
Yay!
What kind of chocolate?
Do you remember what it's called?
No.
Nutella. See? I told you some of them would be awesome.
Can I have more?
Can I have more? At the end.
After the taste test, you can have more.
Only
of
a
anyone
few
you want.
more.
Okay.
That's the grand finale. Let's do this
Okay.
one.
How about
Here we go. This one.
No, I'd like to mix it up.
Well, I already showed the viewers. We have to.
Well, no, we're gonna do this one so that way
Okay.
there's a reprieve.
All
this
right.
one.
Daddy's choice.
Okay, ready? Touch your tongue.
Bleh.
Bleh. It's called bleh.
It's crunchy.
It's green. It's a...
Pickle.
Thank you, Nova. Pickle.
I already said that.
Oh well,
Well,
you didn't get that one either.
so right now...
you have 4 points.
And 4. So 4 and 4.
4 right, 4 wrong.
Ooh, 4 right and 4 wrong. This is it, Monroe. Let's see. Here we go.
Okay,
Salad.
let's see if you like this one.
Okay, 4
Yeah,
right
two
and
more-
4 wrong.
two
You need
more
to get
choice-
these points.
2 more chances.
This is it. This is like the tiebreaker, Monroe. Here we go. What is it? Don't tell her, Squishy. What is it?
More.
More?
More?
Right here. It's right here. No, it's all the way. It's right here.
I can't.
Okay.
He's teasing. What is it? What is it?
A little bit.
A
little
what?
hint? The hint's on the spoon.
Oh, no.
Yeah. That's the point. It's a taste test.
Hey, don't look, you cheater.
It came off.
All right.
What do you think it is? Take a guess.
It's good.
It's good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guess.
Is it something mixed?
Nope.
No.
It's okay if you don't know it. Let's move on. It was yogurt.
Vanilla yogurt.
Okay.
So this is your last chance to get a tie score. You ready? You ready?
Go ahead.
Tie score? You like the last one.
Here we go.
All right, Monroe.
Last one. Can she do it?
Oh, sugar.
Sugar. Sugar tastes like
I
that?
think you like sugar.
Sugar tastes like that?
What do you think?
Sugar?
It looks like sugar.
But it's... Salt.
Salt?
Salt. Let's let her
Salt.
get that. Oh my gosh. Keith, I have one more idea. Toothpaste. Okay. Daddy's running to get the very last one.
Salt.
Okay? Take a sip of water. Go. Yeah. Okay. Daddy's going to get one last one because I just had a really, really good idea. And then we're all done. And at the end, Rosie gets the biggest bite of chocolate she wants right out of the jar because she was a good sport. Okay? Okay. Come on, Daddy-O. Okay, so this is her very last
But
one.
I can't eat it.
Nope.
Okay.
Taste it.
Here we go.
Ready?
It's toothpaste.
It's toothpaste! You can take your blindfold off.
It's mint toothpaste.
Yeah, take your blindfold off. Her prize. Here you go, Daddy. Let her dip right into that. Monroe, look at this.
Look at this, babe. Oh.
Look at that. bowl that you just ate out of. Can you believe it?
Is that all my things that I like?
That's all the things that you ate, whether you like them or
Great.
not. And can we show her victory prize?
Here's your victory.
Here, hold this. All right. You want to dip it right in? Go ahead. It's for our viewers. And your prize for being so brave and eating things like pickle and salt and mayonnaise and mustard. You go for it, girl.
I gave much as I want.
I'd say 1 big spoonful. Go for it.
Fine.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
That's your prize. Go for it. You can eat what you want. Go ahead. Here she goes.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now while it's all in your mouth, say bye to your viewers.
Bye.
What? Turn on. What? Turn on.
Bye.
Turn on the what?
Turn on the.
Turn
Bye
on
everyone.
the-
Check the box. Monroe
Hit
Rock.
the bell. Turn on the bell.
Bye.